Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve the chapter number 13 of class 6, that is paper folding and paper cutting. Now what is this chapter is all about? In this chapter we have to solve two kinds of question, whether there will be a folded paper will be given to us and they will be asked after unfolding the paper what will happen to that paper, that means what kind of a figure we will get. And the next one part, which is this one, this is already an unfolded paper is already given we have, and they are marking us to that we will fold this paper from the middle of the part. This line which is dash dash, this dash line belongs to that means this paper will be folded from here, and this kind of cuts, this kind of design or maybe cuts or maybe line will be taken on the paper. And after folding this paper, which figure will see, that means first keep remember this thing, this is the given x part, this paper folding and paper cut, this x part, this paper is a transparent paper. This is a transparent paper, and if you mark the line on the transparent paper, you will see, you will quite easily able to see the line from both the sides. And after marking the line, if you fold, so what kind of figure will you get in the end, we'll see that. So that's why I've taken a paper. Suppose this is a question. Now this is a question. See, I have taken a paper. With the help of this paper, suppose this is a transparent paper, and I have in the same way I have to mark this paper. That means I have to fold this paper from the middle of the side, and if I fold it after marking, if I mark the paper from the middle and this diagonal line too, and after marking, if I fold this paper, so this line, this diagonally line will be shown from this side also, and this line of horizontal line, this horizontal line will also be shown from the behind also. So after folding, that means if you fold the paper from the middle, so this line will be, this transparent line will shown here, and this line, this line will also be shown here. So after folding from the middle, what kind of figure will see? We'll see the kind of figure which is shown in the A. This was the question number first. Now come to the question number second, that is again a transparent paper is taken, and it is folded from the middle. Before folding a rectangle and a square and the two dots have marked in the middle of the paper. So now with the help of this example we'll understand. Suppose this is a transparent paper, and I've already mentioned this is a square and this is also, these two dots I have taken. And if you fold from the middle of the part of this paper, you will get, see, this is a transparent paper. Keep remember this thing, if I fold, so this dot will be shown to in the middle of the squares. After folding, which kind of, that means what kind of figure we have seen in the part of C, in the option C we have given, this will be the answer for given question. I have already told you this is a quite easy and interesting chapter. If you try for only few question, you will easily get what will be the answer for any question. Now come to the question number third one. If you taken, I have taken the question number third one also. Now if it is question number third, it is a transparent paper. There is a sign, there is a symbol of rectangle, and there is a figure of it is a square, but is created in some other angle. So after folding from, again you have to fold this paper from the middle. After folding from middle, you will get something like this. So in which figure, in which option you have seen this kind of figure? So that means option number D. In the option number D, it is already given. Now come to the next question, that is question number fifth. Question number 7, that means in this part we have a question. Now see, again we have taken, this transparent paper is also being folded from the middle part, and after folding, if I am folding this part, so if I am folding, suppose take this side, if I am folding this side, if I am if I'm folding this paper from the middle, so what we have to go, what will get now, it is folding from the left hand side. So if you are folding to left hand side, that means what will be, it will be like this. It will be like this will be the answer for question number 7.